Today we're showing you a Kubota B3300 SU tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA 504 quick attach front loader. Tractor is in excellent shape, has just over 200 hours on it. Bucket's in nice shape, has got two hooks welded up top here. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. Some very small surface scratches here in the hood, but very minor. Overall, a very, very sharp tractor. It is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations. Looks like the current hours are 265.2. Has the hydrostat transmission. Pedals right here for forward and reverse. Brake pedal up here as well. Loader control. And also your 3-point lever and your four-wheel drive lever. R4 tires are in great shape. 3-point hitch with 540 PTO. Foldable rollover bar. Just a very, very clean tractor. If you're looking for a tractor for property maintenance, anything to that nature, this is going to be a very nice fit. Has your PTO engagement and also your range lever. It's got 3 ranges. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors in our yard, please feel free to contact us. We have approximately 120 to 150 used tractors in our yard. Either contact us or visit us on the web.